Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, we will learn 6 very important English prepositions. These prepositions are used every day in speaking and writing. They help us talk about direction, purpose, origin, dates, topics, and people or things that are together. In this lesson, we will learn to, for, from, on, about, and with. Each preposition has a special meaning and use. Let's begin. First, to. To shows direction or destination. It tells us where someone or something is going. Let's look at some examples. Go to school. I go to school every morning. Travel to New York. They traveled to New York last summer. Drive to work. My father drives to work every day. Walk to the park. We walk to the park on weekends. Remember, to usually shows movement toward a place. Next, for. For shows purpose or duration. It tells us why something is done or how long something continues. Let's look at some examples. For 2 hours. I studied English for 2 hours. For a week. They stayed in the hotel for a week. For fun. We play games for fun. This gift is for you. I bought this gift for you. Remember, for often shows purpose or length of time.
Next, from. From shows origin or starting point. It tells us where something begins or comes from. Let's look at some examples. From Canada. She is from Canada. From school. The children came home from school. A letter from my friend. I received a letter from my friend. From Monday to Friday. He works from Monday to Friday. Remember, from shows the place or point where something starts. Now, on. On is used for days, dates, and surfaces. Let's look at some examples. On Monday. We have a meeting on Monday. On July 10th. Her birthday is on July 10th. On the table. The book is on the table. On my birthday. We had a party on my birthday. Remember, on is commonly used for days, dates, and things touching a surface.
Next, about. About shows a topic or subject. It tells us what someone is talking, thinking, reading, or learning about. Let's look at some examples. Talk about English. We often talk about English grammar. A book about history. I am reading a book about history. Think about it. Please think about it carefully. Learn about science. The students learn about science. Remember, about introduces the subject of conversation, thought, or study. Finally, with. With means together with someone or using something. Let's look at some examples. With my friend. I went shopping with my friend. Write with a pen. Please write with a pen. Coffee with milk. I like coffee with milk. Work with a team. She works with a team of engineers. Remember, with can show companionship or the tool used to do something. Let's review. To shows direction or destination. For shows purpose or duration. From shows origin or starting point. On shows days, dates, and surfaces. About shows a topic or subject. With shows togetherness or using something. These 6 prepositions are very common in everyday English. The more you practice them, the more natural your English will become.
Thank you for watching this lesson from Speak Fluent English. Keep practicing every day, keep learning, and keep improving your English. See you in the next lesson.